the Japanese community is in Ekkamai. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, this street right here is called Ekkamai. The street's not Ekkamai, but this area is Ekkamai. And this street right here is a well-known Japanese restaurant area. So the Japanese community is right here. Across from this one is this one, Bangkok Bus Terminal, Eastern Station. So people that want to travel, they can take this bus station as well. Travel to other places in Thailand. The bus terminal is in the back, so you can go almost anywhere in Thailand from there. And we're going to go down in that space and walk down this road with all the Japanese stuff and see what we can see. And while I'm still up here, there's Sukumenjo. Japanese food already. Okay, so Kuroda Japanese buffet. So we're just gonna see what we can see here. Spa and massage. I'm just seeing basically some Japanese restaurants, but actually when I search for Japanese restaurants anyways originally. These are all in Ekkamai, and they were lined up the street, and I guess I am seeing them for sure. I'm not seeing like a big influx of Japanese people or anything like that, but sometimes when you explore you get to see how that works exactly. You know, do they because sometimes there's like commercial districts, so then people live somewhere else completely, although I would imagine probably some of them live in these apartments up above us. But we'll just keep on walking until we can see what we might see. For the moment, here's Jazz Seafood Steak. Seafood steak is another thing. Okay. I don't see anything that really stands out. Seafood steak is something that is not what you'd use in the US that I'm aware of, unless things have changed. But seafood steak sounds like something they might say in Japan, because it's like a steak is beef, seafood is fish, so seafood beef doesn't make any sense. BNE was here. I don't know who BNE is, but so far I don't really see the heart of it, but I'm gonna guess maybe the Japanese community, maybe they buy up some of the condos maybe and live in some of the apartments, but it's not that clear to me yet. Little complex. This isn't really that clear either. I definitely see some shopping in this space, but it looks like it's just kind of generic high-end stuff. That is a pretty cool building though. Looks like it has a nice balcony up on top too. Vietnamese restaurant. Should we go into it? Maybe we'll just walk into this for a minute. Just take a look and see. I can't imagine that this is appear very Japanese specific to me, but the Japanese community is in Ekkamai. But a lot of the foreigners here just look like generic Western foreigners. Kind of like maybe a high-end 24-hour supermarket. Okay. Bunch of Americans eating beef or something. Mazi. I don't know what they're eating. I have no idea, but but it doesn't look like Japanese food. There's some Japanese food there. There's some guy eating Vietnamese pho. Another Western guy. Okay, we're just gonna walk a little bit further and see if we see anything else over on this side that seems to show this Japanese neighborhood. It's supposed to be in here. I mean, I see some Japanese restaurants, of course. Ekkamai beer house on that side. Ekkamai beer house doesn't really scream like Japanese place. It looks, it's more like somewhere where Australians and Europeans and Americans would go to. Okay. So anyways, this is the, if you Google Map, you'll see that Ekkamai and Japanese restaurants are up and down the street. And I see some Japanese places. And I think I could just keep walking and walking and walking, but I think I'm gonna just call it questionable success. Let's take a look at this. Okay. Not Japanese, Japanese, not Japanese, no, maybe, no, 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 yes, no, 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 no. So there's about 2 of them that are Japanese, 2 companies. So I guess it's kind of a Japanese area and kind of, I don't know, kind of just another expat hangout place, if that makes any sense. I mean, these places could be, there's a couple bars up there. Sometimes in Japan, I used to live in Japan for 6 years, and sometimes things go up like that and there'll be something up on the 8th floor, stuff like that, like a bar. So those two bars, one of them has a bunch of like lights in it, and not that lights mean anything, because that's kind of a lot of Asian restaurants do that. But anyways, there's definitely Japanese places. Here's another one. Maybe what I'll do is I'll try to cross the street if I can. Try to go on the other side. And we'll see if it's a little bit different on that side. So you can watch and see if I can make it across or not. We'll give it a try. And I think I might not be able to make it. Made it somehow. So this place is Japanese. So this one has some probably all very authentic ramen. Yeah, this one looks very Western. So yeah, maybe some of these streets, maybe some of these side streets have more stuff maybe. And who knows, maybe just the Japanese community likes Ekkamai and there's international schools here. Let's see what's in this space. Yeah, we'll just walk through this space and then we can conclude it at this area. Classic cafe. Korean place. Sanne Dul. San. Ne. This is N, this is A. Dul. This is Dul. Sanne Dul. Okay, so a lot of times there'll be Korean and Japanese places in the same area, so Sunday no Dul. Okay. Okay. So let's just see. So here's his. So that one right there. That one looks Japanese, yeah, because you see some flowers and then there's some Japanese character in the middle. Rice and shabu. Okay. Yeah, there you go. So the top one is also shabu grill too. So okay. Ekkamai bang bao. Okay. So this one is a little bit of a, let me see, Taipei restaurant. Okay, well, here's a sangria wine. It's like just a generic Western one, not a generic one, but live music. This one looks like there's tons of Westerners here. You see beer house. That's what you'll see. It's okay. Ekkamai beer house. And it's Christmas time. Yeah, they even have the British football games. So yeah. Happy hour. Alright, so we're gonna keep walking a little bit further and then we'll just see what else we can see in this space. So, okay, massage place. So, okay, we're gonna conclude this in a minute. We'll just go down a little bit further before I do. Circle tattoo. Alright, so you kind of get a feel for the street that's in Ekkamai. And we're gonna have a giant wall right here. Let me just see what this is. I wonder in Bangkok. Looking good. Right there. Chiquinha, chiquinha.